Good evening, sir. My name is Raj Kumar. I'm doing my final MBBS in Stanley Medical College. My question is, why do Muslims in India constantly oppose a common civil procedure code? Why do Muslims in India oppose a common civil procedure code? Thank you, sir.
The brother has asked a very good question, that why do Muslims oppose the common civil code? Brother, I am for the common civil code. But that common civil code should be the best code which practically gets result. I am for it. Even if the full Muslims of India are against it, I, Dr. Zakir Naik, is for it, and I would debate. I would be on the platform to discuss logically which is the best code, which is the best law. And you find this, that the law which is the most practical law, you implement that. I would advocate that let India have a common civil code. Common criminal code also, why only civil code? Have common civil code, common criminal code, but we should have a dialogue that which is the best code. Like a Hindu lady who asked me that why does Islam allow a man to have more than one wife? I gave the answer. People appreciated it. So if you agree with the answer, you'll have to write a common civil code that man is allowed to have more than one wife. There is no other answer for the surplus number of women in the world. There is no other solution. No religion has that solution, though all the religions, there's no religion which says that marry only one, except for the Quran. And I gave an analogy that for hijab, for rape, I give the analogy that the best punishment that you can give, the best punishment you can give, which has the best result, as Islam says, the woman should be dressed up in hijab, the man, whenever he looks at a woman, he should lower his gaze. And after that, if any man rapes a woman, he gets capital punishment, there's death penalty. And I gave the stats of America that according to the FBI report in 1990, 1,756 cases of rape took place every day in the year 1990. In 1996, according to the statistics of US Department of Justice, 2,713 cases of rape took place every day in the year 1996. That means every 32 seconds, one rape is taking place. You know, we are here since the past 2 hours. More than 200 rapes have taken place in USA from the time we are here. I say that if you implement the Islamic Sharia, that every man, when he looks at a woman, he should lower his gaze. Every woman should wear the Islamic hijab, complete body covered except the face and hands up to the wrist. After that, if any man rapes, he gets capital punishment. I'm asking you the question, will the rate of rape increase? Will it remain the same or will it decrease? It will decrease the practical law, and this you can see. There was a program on BBC talking about a part of Nigeria which implemented the Islamic Sharia, and they gave the death penalty for rape, and immediately the cases of rape came down. The least rate of rape in any part of the world is in Saudi Arabia. I'm not speaking in favor of Saudi Arabia, but what is right we have to appreciate. And I congratulate L.K. Advani. I remember a couple of years back, in the 1999, in the month of October, he gave a statement, being the Home Minister, that death rap should be given to the rapist. And I congratulate him. He's coming closer to Islam. Maybe the next Home Minister will say that all the women should wear hijab.